Hello friends, this is Professor Amol Dumal from Shahankar, Engineering College, Chembur. Today we'll see how to launch the EC2 instance and host a web application, simple web applications on that. Okay. So first of all, you log in with your AWS account. Okay, go to the instance. If you see there are 0 instances which are running. So here, first we'll do the launch instance. Click on the launch instance. Okay. So you have to give the instance name. Suppose I will give the instance names. Amol 12. Okay. So this is my instance name. You have to select operating system whatever you like. There is a flavors which are given. There is a Linux, Mac OS, Ubuntu, Windows, any operating system whatever of which virtual machine you want to create, you can create it over here. Okay. So I am selecting the Linux environment only. Okay. Then Amazon machine image, that is it will show you that. Then it will show you the configuration of it, architecture. Once you do that, then very important is the instance type. Okay, there is a T2.micro. This is a free tier eligible instance type which will provide you the 1 GB of RAM. Okay, there are again the some paid versions of the instance types are also there. If you click on that, you will see there is a free tier small T2.small. Okay, if you see, this is a 2 GB of RAM. Okay, but we are not going to use any paid thing because we do not have any need of it. Then we are going to say only the free tier eligible for just demo purpose. So we are selecting T2.micro of 1 GB memory. Then key pair. Okay, we are going to generate the private key. Okay, if you want to connect with the client or the putty, we are going to create a private key with the key pair. I have already created some keys, but I'll create a new key pair. Okay, use the key name here. Key 1 2. Okay, so create key pair. So your private key is being created. It is amol12.pm. Okay, again network setting, keep it as is, don't make any changes over here. Okay, so come down here allow SSH traffic from. So if you want any traffic to be get visited to your virtual machine, you select from anywhere. Okay, it is by default. Then if you want any traffic with the HTTP, you want to connect with your site, then select this one. Or if you want a secure, then you can select the secure here. Yes. Then configuration storage. Okay, it is 8 GB I am selecting. Okay, so if you want the higher versions, it will provide you the 30 GB of space, which is not chargeable. It is a free tier eligible. Then go into the advanced details. Okay, if you see here, don't make any changes, domain, directory, etc. Okay, so if you are having any web application code, just copy that code and put it over here. Okay, here choose file, you can select the file or you can directly copy and paste the code here. So I have simple code. Just I will copy that code. Okay, you can attach the file also, whatever the web application you are having or web. Okay, so yeah, so once again check if anything is remaining. Okay, so don't do any changes here by default options. Only whatever the necessity thing needs to be changed, I have informed you. Then once you do that, click on the launch instance. Okay, so successfully initialize the launch of the instance. So click on that. Your instance will be displayed. Summary of the instance will be displayed. Yes, instance summary. So instance name we have created is at amol12. Okay, it will show you the instance ID. Each instance has an instance ID. Its IPv4 address, public address, private address, it will show the status instance is running. Okay, what kind of instance type you have selected, T2.micro, having 1 GB of RAM, and we have selected by default memory size of 8 GB. Okay, 30 GB is a free, provided in the free tier version. Okay, so it will give you the at a glance with your instance. Once you do this, okay, copy this public IP address, okay, and just try to paste here. Okay, so it will show you that whatever the code you have put in that pasted, it will show you that. Okay, so it has shown you not secure, it is not a HTTPS, it is only HTTP. Okay, so this is where you can launch your web application or host your web application in the EC2 instance. Alright, so very important thing which is you have to remember is that once you do it, your experiment or launching the web portal, and it is work is over, you have seen that, then you have to stop the instance. Okay, so if you won't stop the instance, you will get the bill. Okay, so in order to do that, you have to go to the instance state. Okay, there are the options: stop instance, terminate the instance. If I stop this instance, okay, I'll say the stop instance is stop. Okay, it is stopping the instance, but it is not deleted, the schema is there. Okay, then also you'll get a bill. Okay, so better, if your work is over, terminate that instance. So once you terminate the instance, you will not get the bill. Okay, so your instance is being terminated, you will get notification successfully initiated termination deletion of the instance. Okay, so again go to the total and see whether amol 1 2 instance is being terminated or not. Confirm that, and once confirm that it is being terminated, you can log out. Okay, so status has changed from shutting down to the terminated. Okay, it means you will not get a bill. So once you do that, you can log out. Okay, so this is where we can deploy web application in the EC2 instance. Okay, thank you very much. If you like the video, please subscribe the channel. Thank you.